Public Works Secretary Vince Dizon says Department of Public Works and Highways Undersecretary Are Perez has resigned from his post in the agency after being linked to contractors. In a press conference on Friday, October 17, Dizon says Perez submitted his irrevocable resignation to give way to the investigation and to prevent being a distraction to the DPWH.
Ayaw niyang makasagabal at ayaw niyang maging distraction ito dahil alam niya na napakabigat ng kailangan nating gawin at siya ay nag-tender ng irrevocable resignation. At ito syempre ay tinanggap ko na. So as of today, hindi na po parte si Undersecretary Perez sa DPWH. Siya mismo ay nagkusa at respeto natin yung desisyon niya. Pero syempre, yung investigasyon tuloy pa rin niya.
Dizon then commits that the investigation within the DPWH will not be affected by personalities, political affiliations, or past associations. He says this in line with the directive of President Bongbong Marcos.
Iimbestigahan natin ito. Kasi yun ang kabilin-bilinan ng Pangulo sa atin. Na kailangan linisin natin ang DPWH. At ang paglilinis ay walang sinisino, walang sinasanto. Kahit na dati nang nandyan, wala na dyan, nag-resign na, dating administrasyon, o kahit yung mga taong ako mismo ang nagdala. Wala tayong sinisino at kailangan yun ang gagawin natin.
Batangas 1st District Representative Leandro Leviste named Perez on Friday morning as one of the DPWH officials allegedly linked to flood-controlled contractors. Leviste claimed on Thursday, October 16, that some members of Dizon's DPWH team were either contractors or had met with contractors. In response, Dizon thanked Leviste for the information and asked for specifics, saying he would personally investigate the lawmaker's claims. The DPWH chief also urged Leviste to name the officials he had claimed were linked to contractors.